How to replace a watch battery. I will be showing you on this old Sekonda, but other brands may be similar. Lay down something soft to protect the watch face. This is a push fit back with no screws, and it looks like it's been in a few times before. There's no obvious opening point, and it's too tight to get a screwdriver under this part. So I'm using a craft knife. It's not the safest tool, I know, but I don't have a watch repair kit. I've positioned it so if it slips, hopefully it goes away from my hand. Now this is nice and thin, so gets into the gap and then requires very little force. In fact, just tilting the knife a little popped the back off nicely. Once you have retrieved the cover, you will notice that actually there is a little notch on one side. It sits on this side of the cover, on the left as you look at the back. So perhaps this may help if anyone has proper tools to remove the cover. And now, to remove the battery, I attack it with a flat-headed screwdriver, and it just pops out nice and easy. This battery says AG1 on it, but I believe they can all be different types and sizes, so always compare yours. My local hardware store did a pack for 99p, which had various shapes and sizes inside. What a bargain. When the battery is fitted, the back can be lined up and pressed shut. If you have a watch that is waterproof, please ask a jeweler for advice, as a special tool may be needed. And that's the repair complete, and the watch can be put back to good use.